Ladies, did you know the best anti-inflammatory ever might already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet? I'm talking about baking soda. Yep, plain old sodium bicarbonate. So, here's something fascinating. Researchers discovered that almost every serious disease in the body starts with one thing: inflammation. We're talking cancer, heart disease, kidney issues. All of them have inflammation in common. It's like your body's red alert system saying, hey, something's not right. Study from Augusta University, Georgia. A team of scientists from Augusta University's Medical College of Georgia published a study in the Journal of Immunology, led by Dr. Paul O'Connor, and what they found was mind-blowing. They tested simple baking soda on lab rats with infections, and guess what? The inflammation in their bodies went down, not just in one place but in multiple organs like the spleen and kidneys. Now, if you're wondering, okay, but that's rats. What about humans? The researchers thought the same thing, so they tried it with healthy students. They gave them a little baking soda mixed with water, and after a couple of weeks, their immune cells started changing, from pro-inflammatory to anti-inflammatory. Basically, baking soda was helping their bodies chill out and calm those inflammation responses. So, how can you try this at home? The same way the study did. Mix 1 or 2 teaspoons of baking soda in about 4 ounces, 100 milliliters of water, and drink it once a day. After 2 weeks, the participants' immune systems showed amazing results. More anti-inflammatory activity, and less swelling in organs like the spleen and kidneys. Of course, if you have high blood pressure or any medical condition, check with your doctor first. But if you deal with things like arthritis, kidney inflammation, or autoimmune issues, this simple remedy might help your body feel a whole lot better. So next time you open your pantry, don't just see baking soda as something for cleaning or deodorizing your fridge. Think of it as a tiny white superhero for your body. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your girlfriends, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips.